Okay, I just want to make a quick video of the walkthrough on the display on a Nissan NV commercial van, whether it's a passenger van, a 1500, 2500, or 3500. Let's take a look. So this is a pre-owned one. You can see it's got 6,500 kilometers on it. The vehicle doesn't have a check engine light or anything on it, just have it on auxiliary mode. So you see those lights come up. It does have a TPMS light on, so the pressure could be off. But I'm just going to show you, so there is a little stick right here. That is your control. So you spin it or you push it in. So when we spin this one, you can see I'm spinning it right now and we are getting some different information. So if I go to settings, I can go into some different, by spinning it, go into some different things all the way to exit. So there's engine oil, there's oil filter, there's rotation, there's TPMS menu, units, and exit. So if I want to reset an engine oil, first of all, just the regular engine oil, I'm going to push enter, and then I can set up the kilometer distances for these vehicles. It is 6,000 on the kilometer range for doing your oil changes, 3 months or 6,000 kilometers. So you just go ahead and hit enter. That's saved. If I go to filter, I can set that as well. So I go in and we'll set that for 6,000, which is awesome. Rotations, typically you should be doing that every 12,000 kilometers. So we'll just go ahead and set that. And then you can set others, like if you want to do brake maintenance reminders or any other kind of maintenance reminders. You can go into your menu for tire pressure monitoring if you want. You can go into your units and change from Imperial to metric, and we can exit that menu. So there's a settings. It tells me there's a couple of warnings. There's a TPMS and a tire pressure issue right now. I can exit out of that warnings. So you basically have tire info, settings, your oil temperature, average speed, range, and that's everything before you go into settings. So settings is where you go. It is that little stick down there. You turn it to go through the different options and press enter to get in. Hope that's helpful.